welcome to the Hiesel Variety Show. Today, we're going to watch a big block modified race.
696.
Alright, here we go. See if we get any accidents. Big block modifieds under the lights. Alright, here we go. Alright, we got an accident right here, baby. Show you. Let's look at the extent of the accident. Let's look.
I see blood splatters.
Oh, he's dead.
He's dead.
He's dead.
They're calling the ambulance right
Oh,
now.
here he comes. Nah, I'm just
That's
kidding
the
with this,
mortician.
man. Everybody's alright, but man, his car is bent.
Everybody's fine. Good job.
It's all bent up. I doubt those two cars right there that I'm showing you are gonna finish this race.
Crash.
He's mad. Maybe there'll be a fight. I'll get back to you if there's a fight. Looks like most of them are back on the track except these two. There's extensive damage. I doubt they'll be back. Alright, we'll get back to you when the races start. Thank you. Alright, they have a red light. I think they're getting ready to start now. So, here we go again. Okay, so I'll get back to you when the green flag drops.